are doing great. So it's around 9 a.m. right now, and I have already left for Lauterbrunnen. I'm actually at Interlaken waiting for my train with my mother. She's here only, and the train will be here in about 15 minutes. Okay, so I have just reached Lauterbrunnen after that, and it's raining quite a bit here. But before anything else, I want to show you one of the most famous waterfall, and it's called Chobak Falls, I guess, if I'm pronouncing it correct. As you can see here, it's actually one of the highest free falling waterfall in Switzerland. And yes, she's my mother here. Okay, and basically the whole valley, I would say, is known as the Valley of 72 Waterfalls, and this waterfall is super iconic. Here I was busy trying to capture videos, and my mom goes like, "Let's go beta, you will fall sick." I mean, she's like, chalo beti bimar pad jayenge, let's go from here. So it was like that, but it was hilarious. Okay, so here you can see this looks like a church, but I'm really not sure whether it is a church or not. But the view from here was so beautiful, like the waterfall and the church together, looked amazing. Okay, so now I have reached Trummelbach Falls, and the entry fees, which is the most important thing here, is 17 CHF. So 17 CHF is the entry fees here, and let me tell you about why these falls are special. Basically, these falls are really special because they are inside a mountain, and the water comes from glaciers high up in the Alps and crashes through a series of hidden waterfalls inside the rocks. And it's actually Europe's largest underground waterfall system. And you can walk through tunnels and you can see the powerful water up so close. I mean, it's a must see. Definitely, it's a must see if you are visiting Lauterbrunnen. Okay, so now I'm showing you the ticket counter. This is the ticket counter where you can buy the tickets, and I already told you the ticket price is 17 CHF. You can convert it into your currency. So yeah, that's the thing. Now I think I would not speak much here, and I'll just show you the fall from the inside. So okay, let's go now. हाईएस्ट फ्लोर पे हम आ चुके हैं, और ये है यहाँ से व्यू। अभी हम जा रहे हैं वाटरफॉल की तरफ, बट आप देख सकते हो काफ़ी सारे वाटरफॉल्स हैं यहाँ पे, और इधर भी एक है जो मुझे अभी दिख नहीं रहा है। थोड़ा सा टिल्टेड भी करूँगी तो भी मुझे यहाँ से नहीं दिख रहा, बट हो सकता है आगे से दिखे, तो आगे की तरफ चलते हैं। Okay, heading back to Interlaken now. Honestly, I mean, this was the scariest waterfall I have ever seen. I actually muted the sound because the roar was just too loud and kind of scary at the same time. But seriously, if you are visiting Lauterbrunnen, this fall is a must see. I thought like the first waterfall was iconic, but this one, it's on whole another level. Even my mom really liked it, though she was a little scared too. But it's just so powerful and amazing to watch. So, guys, please visit Lauterbrunnen, and if you visit Lauterbrunnen, go for these waterfalls. It's super amazing. Thank you, guys. Have a good day. Please subscribe my channel. Take care. Bye bye.